Eau Gallie Arts District, setting up, about to set up, and it's hot. But we got a little community event for these folks today at the Art District. Watching some youngsters out here jam, and we take the stage too. Yeah. We thought we were all done here. Now look at us. Squatting. I thought you were gonna hide your food.
I was trying to hide my stomach.
So we got a special shout. Go ahead and see. Special shout out to the folks hosting this party in the Gardy here at Eau Gallie. They offered us some shirts. They got air conditioning and some shirts. So check out the local spot, y'all. Okay, Nani. What do you think of the show?
It was pretty good.
Yeah, did you perform? Tell everybody what you did.
I danced.
You danced? And who drummed?
Me.
Yeah. Yes, we did feature Keone out there today. He got it. He's drumming. Yeah. Was it hot up there?
Yes. It was.
Yeah, just like that. Show banged out. Almost got rained out, y'all. Mother Nature cooperated a little bit, but we done loaded some stuff up. Carry on with the day. Right to this next video, and you see how crazy the rest of this weekend is.
Hey, look, see, this is how Jeff gets out of all the hard work. He does his videos as we're loading back up.
It's hard work.
I see.
Yeah. My stuff's loaded, coming up to help, and I get kicked in the junk. I see how it is. See you, buddy.